Says a little piece at a time. Okay, I'm assembling this BCAN Rebounder. Basically, it's like an exercise trampoline. I'm doing it outside, but it's pretty neat. I'm gonna show you how to. Let me show you. They give you this tool, and it makes it super easy. Let me just make sure. So that should be in there like that. Okay, and I'm gonna come around the back, and just go like this with the tool. Pretty easy. Let's do the next one. Okay. Actually quite fun. Wasn't looking forward to this build, but yeah, I'm actually enjoying it. This tool just makes it really like fun, really. Let me see, you put the thinner part in here. Okay, catch the bigger part in there, and then just using leverage. Okay, I'll come back when I'm got it all set up. Okay, had to get some protein in me. He's just working on this, putting the legs on now. It's pretty solid and sturdy out there. Alright, that's what I got going so far. I'm not gonna dare get on it yet until I put that bar around. Looking good. It's a lot bigger than I thought. Yeah, it's a 48 inch. So I'm holding onto the bar right here. Okay, with 2 hands, and yeah, this can simulate a jog. Do it for like 12 minutes. Yeah, this can be a good simulation for a jog. You don't have to drive to the gym, or in case you can't leave the house. I've always been looking for a good simulation for a alternative to jogging, something that work out the same way. Because like if you can't leave the house, usually I was raising my son by myself, and I couldn't leave the house early in the morning like I would like to go exercise. This definitely would be an option. Definitely. I used to be worried about these. I hesitated buying it, thinking, yeah, I'll fall off or I didn't have enough room. You're not bouncing that much. Alright, I did that thing for 10 minutes. Whew, yeah, felt like a jog. Definitely broke a sweat. Just a quick tip. Besides all the packaging from the trampoline, but after a workout, trampoline, just an extra bonus. You want to sit down for a little while, watch a video or something, and then get to doing some more exercise or something else that's going to get you sweaty and can't go straight to the shower. I would suggest using something like this. It's like a towel material. It's designed for the cars. You're supposed to like cover a car, like if you're got wet or some water sports or something like that. And it's kind of like having a towel over your car seat, but I'm using that for the sofa seat too to protect it. It does better than the actual towel size towel. So this one covers it like that. You know, stink up your sofa.